That puts off some serious heat. We are getting done with the trail for today, setting up camp, and let me tell you about something that I bought for my trips down in the desert. The TactiCool fireplace. Now, this is going to be a lot of fun. Let me show you what's in the bag and why I like it. I'm going to start by saying I am not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, and I want to show you why this type of solution for your campfire is the best solution, especially when you're out here in the desert. When you're out here in the desert, it's best if you either bring your own firewood or, even better, use a gas fire pit, because that way you're not, you're not leaving any trace really. And a lot of the areas down here in southern Utah don't allow open fires due to fire hazards. So let me show you what's in here and why it's the perfect solution for desert camping. So this is a 50 caliber ammo box that's been converted into a gas fire pit. So you can see on the outside here, there's a connector. This is where your propane hose is going to run into. Okay. And then when you open this up, it comes with everything that you need. So you've got your, let's see, little thank you note. There's a nice visual of it in action. User manual, propane hose. Now in here we also have some lava rocks, so that just helps retain some heat. And then go ahead and get a shot in there. You can see there's a pipe in there, and that's where your gas is going to come out and create the flame. So to get this set up to go, it's really simple. We're just going to take our lava rocks, we'll dump them in here. And the lava rocks, that really just helps retain heat, but it also helps disperse the propane so that you get a nice flame profile. That sounds ridiculous, flame profile. What a stupid, silly thing to say, but I'm gonna use it. So we've got the lava rock in there. The next thing you're gonna wanna do before using this is remove the lid, and that's pretty easy. You can just knock it off, just like that. Lid's removed. Now all we have to do is connect the hose here. So this goes onto the fitting on the end of the ammo can, and then we'll connect the other end to a propane tank. Now, this is a shorter hose, so I would suggest, if you want to be able to run your propane hose maybe out to a tank that's further away, just get a longer one. That's easy, cheap on Amazon. But let me tell you why I really like carrying a fire pit like this. First of all, if you're like me and you're in a Jeep, or maybe you're in a 4Runner or a Tacoma, whatever, the size of an ammo can is perfect to fit away in your toolbox or in one of your nook and crannies. It's got a nice carrying bag, so it just makes it very simple to take basically a campfire with you anywhere you go. The other nice thing about this fireplace is it comes with a cooking grate. So if I wanted to, I can throw this over the can, cook up some hot dogs or burgers, whatever. So great little cooking grate. So Genji's obviously waiting for me to throw the ball. But before I do that, the other thing that this comes with is this nice platform. So it just folds out like that, and that allows you to set your ammo can up off the ground a little bit. That just kind of keeps it a little bit higher. So if you're sitting around camp, if I'm sitting around the campfire, I'm right here, it brings it up a little bit for you. Like I said, I'm not sponsored, but I think this is really the ideal setup if you're trying to have a campfire with you while you're overlanding or camping throughout the desert, or wherever you like to camp. So check it out. It's TactiCool fire pits. There's some other options out there. I've just found that this is the most compact version and the version that works best for me. So it's getting dark, and this is probably what you've been waiting to see. Woo! That puts off some serious heat. Well, all right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out TactiCool fire pits. It's a great solution, especially if you're somebody that likes to camp in from their vehicle like me. Yeah, we're gonna relax, enjoy the fire, have fun out there, be safe, and as always, stay on the trails. We'll see you next time.